What's up guys, Alec here, and in this video I'm going to share a quick new trick that will help you boost your hashtag reach. First of all, I just want to say that if you're not subscribed to the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you're new to this video and to this channel that you do hit the subscribe button, because I am not the best. I'm not going to go out there and say that I'm the best at producing Instagram growth content on YouTube.
Welcome to your number 2 source for everything Instagram related.
I am just going to say I'm within the top 5. That being said, here is the quick trick to boost your hashtag reach. So when you post hashtags, if you have done your hashtag research, I'm going to link to a video that goes really in depth on that I highly suggest you watch in the cards up top. Can't remember which side, but basically you have a big set of 25 to 30 hashtags and you post those in either the caption or the comment on your post. The caption or the comment, it doesn't really make a difference for me. I always put them straight within the caption. But the point is, you put 25 to 30 hashtags on every post, and Instagram sees this as a big chunk of hashtags, and they see that basically that you're trying to grow on Instagram, that you're trying to get as much reach as possible with those hashtags. Due to the fact that so many people are doing this and copying and pasting the same amount of hashtags, people are saying that putting large chunks of hashtag isn't as effective as it used to be. Now, I'm not saying this method works 100%, but I had seen it a while ago, and then I recently saw it in Bia Hez's video,
Hashtags,
and I thought I would share it with you guys because it's something that you can definitely try and mess around with. So now I'm going to show you on my laptop what you can do to make your hashtags more effective again. So as you can see here, I'm on my laptop within my Creator Studio for Instagram, and we're just going to take a look at some of the posts on the My Bedroom Goals page that I have. So if we just take a look, you can basically see that the caption here, there's just a big set of hashtags at the end. This is how I normally post, and if we go to the following post, again, it's just a big chunk of hashtags. Due to the fact that people are saying that Instagram is cracking down on this and they can notice a long string of hashtags, here's what you want to do. You want to turn this big chunk of hashtags into a small paragraph. Let me show you what I mean. So if I go into my notes, as you can see, I've already got the text ready for my next post, and I've done everything as I normally do, and instead of putting these chunks of hashtags, what I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate these hashtags into a paragraph. So this is exactly what I've done. So here I've got what you think of this hashtag bedding set. This looks like a hashtag dream bedroom. What's your bedroom like? Do you think this is bedroom goals? If you have any bedroom ideas, comment them down below. Do you have any fairy-like decors in your bedroom? What home decor is your favorite? Follow us for more bedroom inspiration. Hit like if this is room goals. Follow my bedroom goals for some of the best bedrooms. So as you can see, this is a lot more work than just finding some hashtags, because you actually have to kind of make it make sense, and it does look a little strange to one of your followers that just comes across this within your caption or in the first comment. You can always put a disclosure saying that this is to finesse the Instagram algorithm, but the reason this works is that Instagram can most of the time detect when Instagram use is more organic or it's more like pushy and people are trying to just boost their reach as much as possible. Instagram detects when a big chunk of hashtags is in a string of hashtags and it's just one hashtag after the other. When it's in a paragraph like this and it makes sense, Instagram's AI is pretty clever, but not that clever. So basically Instagram isn't going to be able to detect that you've just spammed this paragraph with a bunch of different hashtags. So like I said, this is a new quick method to hopefully get your hashtags as much reach as possible. Try it out. If it works for you, let me know. So if I just go and create a post, I'm going to go to my Instagram feed. See, this is what I would normally post. It's just a bunch of hashtags. Now, instead of putting a big chunk of hashtags at the end, I'm just going to copy and paste this paragraph to the end of my post, and then I'm just going to go and add the content from file upload from my laptop, open it up, okay, and then I'm just going to hit publish, and there you go, my post is now up with that paragraph with a bunch of hashtags. So like I said, try this method out. I'm not standing by it 100%, but I think it can potentially be effective due to the fact that trying different things is always good on Instagram, and it doesn't look as spammy anyway. So I want to hear your thoughts about this method. Have you tried it? Do you think it will work? Do you think it's silly? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.